how to claim promo codes in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to claim and use promo codes in Uber Eats to save money on your food orders. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, you need a working promo code. So here you can find this in Uber Eats email and notification on the Uber Eats homepage through referrals from friends or on promo websites like Retail Me Not, Honey or Uber Eats own offers section. And here make sure to check the expiry date and terms of the code, and some work only for new users or certain restaurants. And with that, simply open the Uber Eats app and just follow these steps. So here once inside the app, just tap on the account icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the account section, simply scroll down and tap on promotion. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the text field in the top section of the screen. And now here, simply enter your promo code, and after that simply tap on claim promo. And here, if the code is valid, it will be saved and automatically applied during the checkout when it meets the condition. And here, that's how you can add or claim promo codes in Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.